Now the next topic in the matrices is addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction is possible if the number of elements in matrix 1 is equals to number of elements in matrix 2. Or we can say that if the order of matrix 1 is equals to order of matrix 2, then addition and subtraction of matrices is possible. Let us start with the question. If A is equals to 2, 3, minus 5, 1, 2, minus 1 and B is equals to 0, 5, 1, minus 2, 7, 3, find A plus B and A minus B. Now the order of matrix A, it has 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 into 3. Order of matrix B, 2 rows, 3 columns. Since order of matrix A and order of matrix B is equal, so we can add and subtract these matrices. Now what we want to find A plus B. This is A matrices, elements of A matrices plus elements of B matrices. So what is the procedure of adding two matrices? The element of first matrix and the same element of second matrix will be added. So 2A11, here the first element is 0. So 2 plus 0, 3 plus 5, minus 5 plus 1, 1 plus minus 2 plus minus minus 2 plus 7 and minus 1 plus 3. So A plus B is equals to 2, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 5 plus 1, minus 4, 1 minus 2, 2 plus 7 and 3 minus 1, 2. So the A matrix is A plus B is 2, 8 minus 4, minus 1, 9, 2. So what we have done? A plus B, same elements of the corresponding matrices will be added. A11 plus A11 of B matrices, A12 of A matrix plus A12 of second matrix. So what we get? 2 plus 0, 3 plus 5, minus 5 plus 1, 1 plus minus 2, 2 plus 7, minus 1 plus 3. Now next we want to find A minus B. Note up to here. A minus B. A minus B. Now all the signs of this matrix B will change. If we write plus here, then all the signs inside will change. Now 2 minus 0, 3 minus 5, minus 5 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 minus 7, minus 1, minus 3. 2 minus 0, 3 minus 5, minus 5, minus 1, 1 plus 2, 2 minus 7, minus 1, minus 3 is minus 4. A minus B, so A matrix minus B. If we write the plus sign here, then change the signs of corresponding elements of B matrix. So it becomes minus 0, minus 5, minus 1, plus 2, minus 7, minus 3. Now add these two matrices and what we get? 2 minus 2 minus 6, 3 minus 5 and minus 4. Note it down. Now the next question is question number 2. If A is equals to if A is equals to 2 minus 1 3 1 and B is equals to 1 4 7 2, find 3A minus 2B. Find 3A minus 2B. First, what do you want to find? 3A. 3A means multiply all the elements of matrix A by 3. So 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 1, 3. Next is minus 2B. Minus 2B. Multiply all the elements of B matrix with minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 4, 2 into 7, minus 2 into 2. Now what we want to find? 3A minus 2B. 3A minus 2B. Minus 2B. Now add these corresponding elements of the matrices. 6 minus 2, minus 3, minus 8, 9 minus 14, 3 minus 4. 6 minus 2, so 3A minus 2B is equals to 4 minus 5 minus 1. So 3A minus 2B is equals to 4 minus 11 minus 5 minus 1. Note it down. Now the next question is question number 3. If A is equals to diagonal 1 minus 1 2, B is equals to diagonal 2 3 minus 1, find A plus B and 3A plus 4B. Since it has 3 diagonals, so it will be a matrix of order 3 into 3. Diagonals are given. So 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 2. Similarly for matrix B, diagonals are given 2 3 minus 1. So this is the matrix A and matrix B. Now what we want to find? A plus B. To find A plus B, add these two terms, corresponding elements 1 plus 2, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, minus 1 plus 3, 0 plus 0, 2 minus 1. So what we get? 3 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 1, or we can write it as diagonal 3 2 1. So matrix A and B are given in the diagonal form. Then what we have to do? Only add the diagonals. plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos of theta cos theta sin theta. First, what we have to do, multiply this term by cos theta, all the elements, cos into cos, cos square, sin theta, cos theta, minus sin theta into cos theta, minus sin theta, cos theta, cos into cos, cos square, plus sin theta into sin theta is sin square, minus cos theta, sin theta, sin into cos, sin theta, cos theta, sin into sin, sin square theta. Now we have to add these matrices. So add the corresponding elements. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, sin theta cos theta minus cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta cos square theta plus sin square theta. हमने एक आइडेंटिटी पढ़ी है, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So that is equals to 1 sin theta cos theta sorry minus cos theta sin theta. It is in multiplication. Either we write it as sin theta cos theta sin theta. It is one and the same thing. So it will get cancelled. Here we get 0. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Again use the identity here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now the next question is, find x and y if x plus y is equals to 7025 and x minus y is equals to 3003. Now we want to find the value of x and y 3 is 2. So this is the value of 2y. So 2y is 4022. So y is equals to 1 by 2, 4, 0, 2 and 2. Multiply all the elements by 1 by 2. 4 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So the y is equals to 2011. Note it down. Now the next question is question number 6. Find the matrix A if A plus 2 3 minus 1 4 is equals to 3 minus 3 minus 6 8. Find A if A plus this matrix is equals to this. Let this is the matrix B and this is the matrix C. Then what we have given, A plus B is equals to C. Adding minus B on both sides, C minus B, it will get cancelled. So A is equals to C minus B. So what are the elements of C? 3 minus 6 minus 3 8 minus B 2 3 minus 1 4. Now solve this matrix. 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 minus minus plus 1 8 minus 4. So matrix A is equals to 3 minus 2 1 minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 minus 3 plus 1 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So matrix A is equals to 1 minus 9 minus 2 4. The next is find x, y, z, t. Find x, y, z and t if 2 into x, z, y, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2 is equals to 3 into 3 5 4 6. 2 into x z y t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2